Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're going to show you how to resolve an issue. And this is when your coffee is not coming out of the right spout. So when you press the espresso button, you will see the coffee come out of the front of the machine. And then when you press the cappuccino button, it should come out of this dispenser. And if that's not happening, either you have a clog, or another common issue is that this motor with this plunger in here has gone bad. And you can see here's the new one. And so if that's the case, then I'm going to zoom in on it. Then you need to replace it. And what it does is there's a little plunger in there, and it crimps one hose during one setting, and then it crimps the other hose during the other setting to help the water move back and forth. It's kind of a neat little idea. It's super simple and effective. So let's go ahead and test the other side. You can see it. I'm actually rinsing the muff system now because I just tested it, and you can see how it moved to the other side. You couldn't do that without that valve functioning properly. Let me just make sure we have enough beans. Yeah, we have enough beans. The machine's heating again. And we'll just take a short mindfulness break here. So arriving here in this place and being present here now, letting go of whatever was happening before. Notice the place where your body touches the ground, maybe your bottom touches the chair, and being present here in this moment with this espresso machine. So I'm going to go ahead and press the cappuccino button. And the espresso will come out of just throwing steam here because we don't have a hose hooked up for the milk. Coffee coming out of the right spout, just like it should. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like my videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.